Hello, Facebook Live. Jamie here. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Hope everybody had a nice day. Everybody had a great week. It is weekend time. Hope everybody stayed safe yesterday in the storm or Wednesday into Thursday. I know I've said that a few times, but happy day. Happy almost weekend for most of you. It is cocktail time with Jamie. I am going to be making a Cranberry Spritz today. I love this Koval product, this cranberry gin. It's awesome, so I'm going to use that in my spritz today. Today is Friday. Our weekend special, our $9.99 special is our wild salmon. It's our wild coho salmon, and it is served with a mustard dill sauce. So you can order that any temperature. I recommend if you're taking it home and going to be reheating it, that you order it at a one temperature less. So if you like it medium rare, order it rare. If you like it medium, order it medium rare. So that when you take it home, you have you can pop it in the oven and it is the correct temperature. So that is our weekend special. Sunday we have a shrimp and mussel green curry. That is our every Sunday special. Shrimp and mussel green curry with rice and broccoli. So that's every Sunday. We'll be rolling out new $9.99 specials on Monday. I gotta tell you, my baskets that I've been making are flying off the shelves. I sold a awesome 3 Philosophers basket yesterday. So 3 vintages of old big bottles of 3 Philosophers, 2010, 2011, 2012, with some cookies, and I think there was something else in there. I've gotten a few calls about making baskets for people. I have someone picking up a pasta basket today. I did get some more rye in today, so I'm gonna be making Jamie's rye Manhattan basket. That will be available, so if you wanna make my Manhattan at home, or give it as a gift, you know, somebody who loves Manhattans, I will make that and I can give you the recipe. So we have been busy making baskets. I've been busy taking orders. Let's see, our grocery store is growing drastically. Marcus has been diligently bringing in some new cool stuff. So we have organic steel oats that are local. We have local white beans. We have Spofellini porcini trumpet pasta. And what we've done, what we've done is we've packaged it into smaller packages for you so you can take it home and enjoy it. And if you want more, you can always come back and get more. But we packaged it into smaller little bags for you because we buy it in bulk, so we can pass on the value to you when we put it into smaller containers and things. So let's see, we have mango juice, apple juice, pomegranate juice, beet juice. We have burrata back in stock. So we have burrata, Italian burrata. We have cashews, organic cashews that just came in. Organic raisins just came in. Organic pumpkin seeds. So we are growing drastically. We know that you are all want to start stocking your shelves, getting things in your freezer again. We have H&H bagels. We have everything in cinnamon raisin. We got vegan cream cheese today. We got organic cream cheese today. We're supposed to be getting wild smoked salmon next week. So you can make bagels and cream cheese. We are getting lots of cool things in. So if you want to place an order, go ahead and send me an email, aromatimebistro.com. info@aromatimebistro.com, and I will reply. You can call me and let me know that it has come in as well, and I will be happy to get that order together for you, and I will be happy to package it up, put it out in your car. You can come pick it up. I'll tell you when you can come get it and all that. So on to my drink of the day. Don't forget, we also have a lot of liquor here, wine, beer, all that stuff that you can pick up as well to take home or give as gifts. I'll wrap it for you. So let's see. So we're going to start with Koval gin. I love Prosecco in my spritz. This is Fantanelle. This is Italian Prosecco. It is from Northern Italy. And we are super friendly with Marco and his wife. We have a great relationship with them, so we highly recommend their Fantanelle Prosecco. So I'm going to start with 2 ounces of cranberry gin. And I like my spritz in a wine glass. So we're gonna put it in a wine glass. So I'm gonna take 2 ounces and I'm going to, 2 ounces might be a lot, but 2 ounces of gin. I'm gonna put ice in here. I'm going to add about 3 ounces of Prosecco, and I'm going to top it off with a little bit of seltzer. There you go. That's simple. It's easy. You can make a spritz out of anything. And I also took these cranberries and I just put a little bit of sugar, and I'm going to put them into my drink, make it nice and festive. And there you have it. You have a cranberry gin spritz. So let's go ahead and taste it and mix it on up and see how that is. Hope everybody's awesome today. Hope everybody's gonna have a good weekend. Any cool plans for this weekend? Let me know in the comments. Where are you tuning in from? I also love to hear where you're tuning in from. If you're watching me live, if you want to put hashtag live, watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you have any cool, fun, Christmassy drinks or holiday drinks that I should know about, let me know. Oh, these just came in as well. I think I spoke about them last week. They are to-go drink containers with straws. They're really cool, so I will probably start working on something like that as well soon. So let's see. Ooh, that's yummy. That's delicious. Very nice. I think it needs a drop more spritz, seltzer. There you go. And that makes a really nice punch drink. You can put that out. Drink it for the holidays. I know you're not supposed to have more than 10 people in your houses. I know you're supposed to, I'm not supposed to be promoting holiday parties and holiday things. So be safe, be careful, and make sure you are taking care of yourself. Vitamin C, vitamin D, loading up on that, getting exercise, taking care of your body, and all that good stuff. So this is an awesome drink. If anyone needs baskets, let me know, and I can still make you a basket. Christmas is until next Friday, so I have all week. If there's something special that you're looking for in the basket, I'd be happy to do that. If you want me to make something fun up for you, I can do that as well. I love to create. I love to do that stuff. So let's see what else. So $9.99 special tonight is our salmon tonight and tomorrow night and Sunday, and then Sunday night we have our shrimp and mussel green curry. And look for our email on Monday that will come out with our new special for the week. I don't know what it's going to be. We were talking about polenta. We've been talking about a bunch of different things. Maybe with lobster. I was going to say maybe lobster mac and cheese. I don't know. Stay tuned. Hint, hint. Stay tuned for that. And let's see. And that's it. I hope everybody has an awesome day, an awesome night. Cheers, and hopefully.
Talk about the new pouches there?
I did talk about the new pouches, and hopefully we will. No, I didn't talk about the new ice cream. We did just get 2 flavors of Ronnie Brook ice cream in. We got vanilla and chocolate hazelnut. So those are in our freezer, along with the bagels and the pizzas, the Italian pizzas. So we have a lot of stuff available. Check out our list, aromatimebistro.com, grocery list on the top. Call and order, stock your freezers, get things in your freezers, salmon, halibut, sablefish, all that fun stuff. So have a wonderful night, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.